Hello, my name is Sue Grant from Berthon. What follows is a video of the Swan 48, 227 Midnight Swan. She is immaculate. Please do watch on to see what I mean. So here is Swan 48, 227 Midnight Swan, delivered new to these owners in 2021. And what a fantastic yacht she is too. Looks really great. The condition is faultless. It's just been ashore for anti-fouling. I'm afraid it's a rather grey day in the UK, but nonetheless we'll have a look at her. White hull, stainless steel anchor, mean, lean lines, very nice port lights in the hull. Full teak decks, they are 9mm on the ring deck. She's got a white painted alloy spar, fully battened mainsail. Her sails are 3DI ocean sails. She's got a really good wardrobe, both for two-handed sailing and also for regattaing. So we'll just head up to the foredeck. Lovely clear deck, neat furling arrangement. She's got a Maxwell anchor windlass, very easy to control the anchoring arrangements. Rod rigging. Under deck for the halyards, everything comes aft. B&G repeaters there on a Selden package. Selden rig, of course. She's got a stack pack, very easy to cope with. She's got back cast system on the mainsail. Harken winches, these are powered for the primaries and the main sheet. Really neat little rope locker. And wide aft deck, twin wheels, GRP wheels, twin rudders, which makes her really easy to handle. Lovely pedestals. Easy main sheet arrangement. She's running on B&G Triton autopilot. The displays are in Zeus. She's got a swing side power bow thruster. The fusion from the main saloon is repeated out into the cockpit. You see that footplate? Swan do these things so beautifully. Beautifully engineered table. The spray hood is really great for our northern climes, but the whole thing clips back into a gutter when you don't want to be using it. And then here is the boot. Excellent storage. The transom retracts electrically, so it's push button. And then there is a shower and also steps into the sea for swimming from the back of the boat. And then now down into this interior, which is very modern. It's oak, the light piece of wood that you see and the lining on the floors, that's in Koto. Fantastic white upholstery. And she's got those two smart chairs that either clip away or can be put away when they're not in use. The ports in the hull means that light just floods in, and also up above, as you see. Chart table, and this also makes a great eating area when there are just a couple of you on board. Fusion controls there. Control panel here, and hidden away is the B&G. It's a full B&G system. She's wired for iridium. The yacht has air conditioning, which is Webasto Cool, and because she's a UK boat, she also has separate Eberspacher heating. 3-burner cooker, sink. Look at this fabulous fridge. Look how beautifully it's made. And then you've got a freezer beneath. This yacht has actually got additional refrigeration here, which was owner's wish. Can't tell you how immaculate this joinery is. Further forward, this is the owner's cabin. Bear in mind that this yacht is only 48 feet, or she's a little over 50, but she has a huge amount of volume, which is managed really well in an understated way, with lots of storage. Of course, there is ensuite heads. There are 2 heads on the boat, both have planeless electric WCs, and she also has separate shower stalls. Underneath the companionway you find the Volvo D2 75 horsepower on a sail drive with a 3-bladed Bolding propeller. She's also got a Piccolo 8 kVA generator. This is the guest cabin to port. Lovely double, never really ever been used. And on the other side there is a really good twin cabin. Lots of storage beneath the bunks, and the hull ports make these really light and bright cabins to spend time in. And then here, this is the day head and the head that is shared by the 2 guest cabins. Very large, separated shower stall, beautifully executed. This yacht is really well set up for 2 people to sail far aboard without effort, but she also has the deck gear and the sails and the setup for regattering if you wish. So carefully looked after, absolutely stunning. Swan 48 227 Midnight Swan.